Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I wasn't sure if you guys knew this, that these bedsides come off of this thing. I mean, I know a lot of people do, but I'm not sure everybody does. So I'm going to show you. In here, got quarter turn bolts, 2 of them. They come out of them holes. You just come up here, tap on that, and it pops off. You got storage for your belt, tools, and everything else. I know that's not the right tool for my machine, but I have the right tool in there. I bought that tool on accident and threw it in here because I have other buddies that have these machines, so you never know. I always have tools, so because you never know. I'm not going to get stranded because I don't have the tool, I'll tell you that. This side does the same thing. I just cleaned it all out the other day. I had straps in there and stuff, but what's cool about it is you can put your stuff in there. I put zip ties around my tools and it'll hold around these right here. You run a zip tie through there so your tools aren't in there clanging and banging around, but they go back on pretty easy. They have these little tabs. There's 2 little tabs like that. Start them. You come in the back. And you push it on. But yeah. Like that, sorry. It's hard to do with one hand, but yep, it just goes back on. Your screw goes in, and it's a quarter turn. Push the tab down. Good to go. It's pretty nice. I kind of like it, but thanks for watching, guys. See ya.